Hello, this is Cruz with Scott English Plumbing. I'm here at New Providence HOA at address 2420 Avenida, Mastil. As you can see, I'm inside the garage. I'm going to be examining the sewer line from the ground level clean out. Previous plumber came out and cleared the line. I'm here to do a video inspection and provide a bid proposal for correction. So you can see probably about 16 feet out, you're going to see the point of intrusion. It appears as though it's cracked on the top of the sewer and the roots coming in from that the defect in the pipe. I'm going to go ahead and push it down a little bit further just to check out the remaining portion of pipe. You can see at the lower left, you'll see the tail of that root as it's sort of stretched out. Okay, and this is where it connects to the common sewer. This is Cruz with Scott English Plumbing.